Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today is a really exciting video. It is going to be an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Dexter? I guess Dexter's going to be a part of this video too. He loves attention. You love attention, baby boy? So this is going to be the unboxing of my Neverfull MM in the print Damier Azur and with the lining of Rose Ballerine inside. As always, there are timestamps in the description below. In addition to this unboxing, I'm also going to be showing you the Samorga organizer that I got with it, which took forever to ship, but it's so worth it. And I'm going to show you some outfits that you can wear with your Neverfull MM Damier Azur. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy. I also have videos of my unboxing for my Speedy B35 in the Damier Eben print, and also a Samorga organizer review with that and slash what's inside my Speedy B35, and that's linked down below. I hope you guys enjoy this video and give me a thumbs up if you find it informational. Yay! So I actually got this a couple weeks ago, but I was waiting for this baby to get here before I opened it. Why am I getting the Damier Azur? My first Louis Vuitton video when I was getting the Speedy B, I was talking very down the Damier Azur because I was like, it's very high maintenance, it can get color transferred easily, and it can get dirty pretty easily, and also I have to deal with the Pochette being stained by water or any sort of substance like that. After much thought and consideration and how well I do take care of my Speedy B35, I figured I can handle the Damier Azur. At least I hope I can. I make sure that the outfits that I do wear with it, there's no denim. I don't want any chance of denim transferring onto my bag. I actually spray the Pochette with this like spray that I use that protects against any sort of water staining. I actually was introduced by this through Shea Whitney, and I've used it on my Pochette Matisse and it works perfectly fine. I'm actually going to bring it out. Here is the one that I use. Actually, to be honest, I think a whole can is for the Neverfull because the Neverfull has so many potential spots where it can stain in terms of like the Pochette. So yeah, here it is. It's going to be linked down below. It kind of takes a while to ship because if I remember correctly, it's not on Amazon Prime. That being said, I also wanted the Neverfull because I think it's a very classic bag. A lot of people use it, and it also comes with a little pouch, which I thought was amazing. So it's kind of like you're getting 2 for 1. So here we go. Did you guys know I sing too? Because I actually do, that's not a joke. If you want to check out my singing, it's linked down below. But I digress. Okay, so here is the dust bag. I definitely recommend to have your dust bag because it's good to have when you travel. I like to put my bags in here when I'm traveling, and I also kind of, personally, I keep my bags inside of a bookshelf that has like doors on it, so I don't have to worry about dust or anything like that. But if I did, I'd probably use this. But I keep them underneath the bags, just so I know where they are. Okay. Yay! Oh, this is such a perfect spring color, honestly. Oh, it's so beautiful. Such a beautiful bag. And here is the inside. So beautiful. Even though this bag is just recently was introduced in 2007, I think that this is going to be a classic for years to come. I honestly don't think I would have gone for the Neverfull in Damier Azur had it not been for this Rose Ballerine lining, because the other one, like the tan one, I forgot what the name of the color is, I was not a fan of that. Personally, I was not a fan of it, but if you're a fan of it, that's great. I'm not judging you, I just didn't like it for me. I really like the look of this. I actually didn't like at first that it was exposed at the top, but after time has passed, I actually really do appreciate that look because I don't know, it just looks very cute, very chic, and also easy access. But if you do want to have some sort of like protection, there is this clasp. I don't know why I can't speak today. So here is how it looks on me. Just this way. I'm gonna have more like fashion shots later in this video. But for reference, I am 5'6½". So that's how it looks on me. I think I really like it. I think the GM kind of overpowers me. And again, I don't really put too much stuff in my purse because I want to feel my shoulder. I'm also a comedian. I'm just kidding, that's actually a joke. But anyways, I love this. I think this is gonna be such a beautiful print to use in the spring. Obviously, that's when a lot of people use it, but I also live in Miami and it's kind of like summer all the time. So honestly, this could be a year-long bag. What I really like about the MM size versus the GM size, I think that this is an everyday bag. You know, obviously if I carried around my laptop or I carried a lot of stuff, maybe I would look more into the GM size, but I just think that MM was more the style that I was looking at. I really highly recommend to go into your nearest Louis Vuitton store and try out both sizes on yourself to kind of just get a feel for it. That's what I did, and I fell in love with the size. It's so beautiful. Also, that comes with the Neverfull is a pochette. And this is the same size as what's in the GM, but what's in the PM size is smaller. I don't know by how much, but yeah, so there we go. Here's a size comparison. Personally, I've seen a lot of people use this as a wristlet, as a clutch, anything like that. People just take it anywhere if you're just like on the go, you just really want to bring your phone. So I have a 7S Plus, so the traditional like plus size. So I kind of just wanted to show you that it fits comfortably in there, not snug, like it can move around. Also in the pochette, there is another little pouch. I personally don't know what I would put in there. Maybe like some cards or a little tiny wallet I have. I have a little tiny one that has like just for my license and 2 credit cards. So anyways, I think this is really cute if you're just on the go and you don't want to have to pack your bag or you just kind of want to be hands-free. I think this is really cute. And with my outfit choices, I'll also show you how it looks like with just the pochette. So this is how the Neverfull Pochette looks against my body. Again, I am 5'6½". The location of the date code is pretty sneaky on the Neverfull, but they have it on the pouch, the pochette, and they also have it on the Neverfull bag itself. It's located inside the pouch that's inside the pochette, and there's this little tab. But it says SD0168, and I did not know this before, but I know it now, and I am going to share the information with you. SD means that it was made in the USA with French imported materials. One of my commenters on my last video said that, and that was really helpful. I love learning things, so if I ever say something incorrect, please feel free to comment. I'm always down to learn more information, so please feel free to do that. Please be nice to me. So it says SD0168, which means that it was made on the 6th week of 2018. I love how the zipper works on this. It is so buttery and smooth. I just feel like I could do this forever. I wish this was a profession. Just pulling on Louis Vuitton zippers. I would be the best. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the Neverfull MM itself. Again, it is pretty bare, which I love. I love that there is room to do whatever you want. There is a pretty big pouch, which honestly, I would put my phone in. Let's see if it fits my plus. So my phone fits pretty comfortably inside. I don't think I would put anything else in there just because it's kind of a little bit thin, but I love it. Oh my God, look, they match. That's so cute. The location of this date code is also kind of tricky. I was trying to poke around and I was like, oh, it didn't come with a date code. I got it fake from the store. What the heck? So if you're looking at yours and you're panicking like I was, let me show you where it is. So it is behind this pouch and you're like, wait, it's not there. No, you're gonna flip this little tab open. So again, it says SD0168, which I've explained before, means that it was made in the USA of French imported materials on the 6th week of 2018. So now I'm gonna show you guys the Samorga organizer that I got. So again, I'm super obsessed with Samorga, and I think it took me a month to get this, which is kind of crazy. I was checking the shipping information for so long, but here we go. And again, I compare the Samorga organizer to a high top rated organizer on Amazon, and that's linked down below, just so you can kind of get the difference of quality, but I'm definitely a Samorga fan. So this is gonna be linked down below. I got this in the color Indian Pink, which I thought would match the Rose Ballerine the best. It's not a perfect match, but it's pretty close, you know? I wish this was a little bit more vibrant instead of like kind of muted. Other than that, I mean, it's gonna be inside my bag, so it's not gonna matter. I really wanted to have the Samorga in here because I'm scared of stray marks or anything like that from the contents of what's gonna be inside my handbag. So I thought that this, if there was ever gonna be any sort of transfer or anything like that, it would happen in here rather than inside my handbag. This kind of makes that pouch a little bit useless in the back. But again, not really. I think, again, if I was gonna use it, I'd probably put my phone in there and just keep my phone isolated. But I really do like the look of this. I like the structure that it gives the bag, so it's not droopy as much. And here it is without the Samorga organizer. Now I know a lot of people kind of like the floppiness of it, and again, your mileage may vary. Now you're probably thinking, oh, that's it. No, the Neverfull, I'm actually sure you guys know this, but it can also be used as a city bag, but I'm not really the biggest fan of that look. So it's where you kind of like cinch it. So this is how that looks like if it was used as a city bag with the Samorga organizer. I don't think I like how it looks like this with the Samorga organizer. I think if I was ever going to do this, I'd probably take it out, just because it kind of looks boxy and I don't like that. Oh yeah, this looks way better without the Samorga organizer inside. So if you personally like the way that this looks as a city bag, which is what I've seen it described as, then definitely do not buy the Samorga organizer. So this is how it looks as a city bag. Huh. It is not as horrible as I thought it was. I think I really don't like how it looked with the Samorga organizer. It's not as boxy. It's kind of droopy. Alright, so now I'm going to show you outfit choices that you can use with the Damier Azur print. I know that when I was thinking about this bag, I was like, what the heck am I going to wear with this without looking crazy? So I compiled 2 outfit choices besides what I'm wearing now. I kind of think that this works, even though this is like a different print. I wouldn't necessarily run towards this outfit choice, but I definitely think like blues, whites obviously, and pinks look really nice with this. Or you can just pick like a solid colored dress and have this kind of as an accent piece. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that this video was informational for you, and I hope if you're on the fence of getting the Neverfull MM in the shade Damier Azur, that maybe I was able to sway you towards it. So I hope you guys have a really good day, and if you would like, I would love for you if you could please subscribe to me. I try to post videos every Wednesday and Friday unless I'm sick or I got extremely busy with work. So yeah, bye guys!